Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Now today I'm going to be talking about a video. Right, that there's a learning lesson in it. I think everybody, especially men, right, can learn something from this video. This video shows from what I'm hearing, is a policeman shooting a youth, right, who had a woman by knife point. Right. It looked like the youth, the one that did, because as you can see on here, he may not lose him life. But it look like the youth there end up lose him life, like him girl or something like that. Right? He seems very emotionally invested. Right. May also play a video clip from This Is a Blast. Can't play the whole light because the shooting and everything get captured on it. But I'm never showing enough so you can understand what I'm going on, just in case you haven't seen the video. And of course you can check it out on This Is a Blast, right? You get the full context. So, policeman shoot the youth with a woman at knife point. That may sound like a story where the cop is a hero, right? Not in Iron Man. Right. The cop is actually the villain. Right. Now people are burning him out. I'm also going to show you why the quote-unquote protect women, right, thing is a myth. Right, and it's actually code, right? They've turned it into code. It used to be a real thing, but now in this day and age they've turned it into a code for, please Mr. Simp, clean up guy, put your life and freedom on the line for me, even though the guy attacking me is the one I really care about. I'm gonna play the video so you can understand what I'm going. As I said, the rest of the video is on This Is a Blast. Now you can clearly see the knife in the youth on him. At first people say, him just did have one umbrella and I'm on. What a wicked, you kill the youth with an umbrella. You can clearly see that's a knife. Right? Remember, a knife and an umbrella. Right? Look like a ratchet knife. Right? Him sit down there and he waits, so it's premeditated. You see if he did walk in and catch, because by the way, he look like say, right, the man and him, quote unquote femme girl, right, that's the dead girl, right, I go make some kind of flex, them I go somewhere, them I come from somewhere, I don't know, but it's like him from, here say, quote unquote his girl, right, there's some red man, and him down there, and him sit down and him bleach and him bleach and him wait and him wait, so it's premeditated. Finally see her, take her on right away. Him and her did it now. He gets multiple warnings to drop the weapon. After repeated warnings, him and the woman did it, and them up on the other side of the vehicle now. The man shoot him. He go to go war or fight or bring knife wherever. Why do you think him bring the knife? To peel one orange gear? You think him bring the knife to cut up some scallion and some thyme? Do you think he was gonna prepare a meal with the knife? What am I do with knife? Right. No one said listen to her screaming after you did. She's bawling for the man who just had the knife, ready to kill her. She's bawling for the man, right, who let treat her like some kind of WWE character. Right. She isn't thanking the man who shoot him. She isn't thanking the man who quote unquote saved her. She isn't thanking the cop. She isn't thanking Captain Saver Carey. She's bawling for the youth that just had her at knife point. Which is why I'm telling them, say, no, right, this world, when enough people ball out protect women, it's code for please, Mr. Cleanup Guy, put your life and freedom, or put your life and or freedom on the line for me, even though the guy beating me is the one I really care about. That's what. See, we know people get offended. Right? But just hear me say right now. Because I've said worse. And will say worse. Right. But people saying him shall never shoot him. Because the youth never attack him. So let's think about this now. What would happen if the policeman stand up there, watch the youth with a knife, right, arrest the woman, stab her up and kill her and don't do nothing? What would Jamaican people say? Can somebody play the Jeopardy music? Let me ask the question again. Since you say him shouldn't shoot him cause and him the man attack, what would people say, what would you say if the man with the policeman stand up there and watch the man stab her and kill her? Only that say, that make be nice. But when him do intervene, right, and shoot the man who had a knife on her, when still, right, make be nice. So what is that man supposed to do in this situation? Because if he stands there and watch, right, her get killed, he's the bad guy. If he shoots the youth attacking her, he's the bad guy. Damned if you do and damned if you don't. Right? What was the man supposed to do in this situation? Left her alone? Left him to do him wanted to her? So you can't say, oh, policeman, stand up there and watch this poor woman dead. Protect women. So, if him stand up and watch, the man stab her up. John Public say off with his head. If he shoots the attacker to stop him from hurting the woman, John Public say off with his head. You Sims are going to learn the hard way. this is not the chivalry era. This is the equality era. Right? So let me remind you, quote unquote, toxic males, that men and women are equal in every way. But that would also mean that they protect random women because, right, of course it makes perfect sense why you'd protect your woman, you know, your wife, your baby mother, your spouse. Of course that makes perfect sense. If you're walking down the road, right, and somebody attacks, right, your spouse, your partner, whatever, of course, in that situation, it is your duty to protect you and her. Right? If you really believe that men and women are equal in every way, shape and form, in times of danger, the same concept would apply. You would say, I don't need no man. Why would I need the patriarchy to protect me? And all the patriarchy does is oppress women. And so because I'm strong and equal, right, I'll take it to the men. I don't need no help. That's what they would say, but that's not what they say. Instead, I'm strong, independent, and equal except in times of danger. Then you, Mr. Random Carlton, throw yourself on the line for me. Even though I don't respect you, I don't care about your existence. But if you see my man beating me, challenge him to a fight to the death. But if you win that fight, I'm testifying against you because you kill my man. You never have to kill him. And after you and him done fight, I'm going back to him, by the way. After you and him fight and him bust up your mouth and thump out 5 of your teeth them, I'm going back to him anyway. Right. But still fight him though. Because protect women. I'm not saying it's all confusing. I can't be the only one who wants some kind of clear consensus on how this works. Are men supposed to protect random women on the streets? If a man sees a woman getting attacked, should he intervene, right, and harm the next guy? Or should he stand back and say this not with me? Right? If I am Joe Grind and they say the man turn up and the man turn up with a knife and I go kill the woman, should I say, well, good luck, sister, I hope it works out for you, I'm out of here? Or do I take on the man? Which one is it? I can't be the only one who wants some kind of, clear answer. Men out there, aren't you confused? What do we do? Do we protect random women? Look, him have a knife, him a beat her up master bar, let me shoot him. Or do we say, well, right, he's not attacking me, so au revoir, ciao, sayonara. Which one is it? Is it protect me, I can protect myself against a big strong male? Or is it I'm independent and equal and don't need no man, and the patriarchy is evil and I don't need no patriarchy to fight my battles for me? It's all confusing. This is why people need to pick their partners carefully and pick people who match with you. And the woman them in deal in my life, they're afraid of everything. They're afraid of ants, they're afraid of lizard. If they hear sitting a buzz in the sky, they run gone. So me know say, me have to go fight that battle. So now, one in the grave and one might go jail. Classic. Even if you never go jail, paperwork, courthouse, back and forth with lawyer for at least the next 2 years. Meanwhile, the female involved, I'm sure, will find another another man. Interesting. I mean, say I would love to know. Maybe everybody else have it figured out. I would love to know what's the actual right thing to do here. Make it clear for me. Right? I know you're all very bright and you did all kind of courses. I know you have a PhD in wokeology. So people like me need to break it down for me. Anyway, Patreon squad, big up on yourself. Yeah, you don't know, more life. Courthouse squad, see you circling.